Impact TV agenda Manipur Noya Kuki edition and Vajo say Dr. George T. Hawkebin Kahin Lemo in he. Tunya is a common topic issue to a hele. Politics of framework agreement here he in his topic issue say home na dinga tunya studio hong tau home ho phondo na hineng kate. Kajit lang ato he hele pu so bintang daw nga lahi in tutu chairman Political Affairs Kuki Epi Manipur in Pu H. Benjamin Mate spokesperson BJP Manipur Pradesh in chule aning ato he hile Dr. Emmanuel Jal Sangwarte in Assistant Professor Department of Political Science Indira Gandhi National Tribal University Regional Campus Manipur hi Indo-Naga Framework Agreement sign hunke bol nahi August 3, 2015 cha hitain tu ahi kumthum lang achi tain solution kichi ta hi han lang hyong le hichi party te ni akuna asai hon khat cha hi le framework agreement no ya ki ho nahi ichanham khan amina hitai ti chu advanced stage sa hitai ti cha hi in hichi thu ahi sei khom ding issue agil phabep khat omen hecho ho chu isai ding o hi in article 371A extension 2 public protest and views ho chule ai me ho ku kite dinga hichi framework agreement to kisam kaya ipi isai ding o ibol ding o umam ti thu ho tu ni a guest ho to panel ho to isai khom ding o hin tu in amasapin pu somin thang dongal henga thudo na hen nei gatin Kuki in pi Manipulin na che pi khano repeatedly an sei khano cha hi le framework agreement government of India to NSCNI min anei pa he hichi final solution khat agreement khat am masangin Government of India hin NSCNIM Criminal Act pa he jithu hi sei chin masa han na ti o hi a hi le na sei da no he Government of India in twice ayo to first settle NSCNIM Criminal Act pa hi solve bola hele tu a che sajing framework agreement no ya hi Government of India to NSCNIM hi itabang agreement nei jong le ho poi 2013 la ya githa ki met no government of India nisu champi pawa hele ichi adang framework agreement no ya itabang agreement solution om yon ho ka sa poi nati naw ham je ka so na lunggel han sei ti mo
2013 Halloween 1993 92 94
sorry
hichi hi Kuki in pi Manipur hi Kuki te chate ho zo se hoi lai mun hi han lang yong le Kuki in pi hin zat le nam veng tup ding ching tup ding chuting le gam le go hu tup ding am ai hichi Kuki in pi ki ti hi tu tha ki sim hi lo ai pule pate ho khanga ke patna atuma an ki vai hom te cham hete hin hichi ki vai hom naw chi hon tu asa pa wa government itiu ai hichi chu Kuki in pi a traditional government of all the entire Kuki community ai ahele tu chungin kum som ni langa lang hong thing ta in khat vela nyong sat down ake bolin ai ahin hichi thu hichi criminal act of NSCNIM hi central government in settle bol han lang hele naga framework accept ki bolin tikiti na chu hi nai sai lo ahin we don't know what is the content the details of the naga framework ahin la ep chu han lang yong le solution peace khat om ding chu Kuki ten yong ake digin it is the traditional policy of the Kuki people to live peacefully neighboring community ho si to samle lung mona chen khom ding chu pule pa khanga in chi pi khat chu in tu ang ki chi pi a hin hichi naga framework pa chen Kuki chen nagam asu kha a he a hele Kuki te gam chu su kha lawang he chu kinum di lo de hichi ya chu Kuki cha te chun tu ni chen gi a ke sei chu ipiding ami that ho chu no ho in framework agreement sign na bol pi theu Manipur sunga hin community tamta stakeholders homa hin said mainly the Meitei Naga helole Kuki ki cheng homa hin ya chu central government in community khat se to solution khat po do ding atile what about the two communities Yeah, so central government in the interest of the political interest of the two communities so it has to be taken into consideration. Abon machun ko commentin hile ti pa ju kidei ai hin ai EP ju hi han lang yong le Kuki chate ju India mi hilo ham EP ti le naga ho in the thum le som gup lang su mang ta wa more than 1 lakh people displaced. So think like more than 900 innocent civilians slaughtered by NSC and IM. Ipitel two chen to Indian government in two say low line. I know what Indian government and NSC and IM muiwa to Kuki te sumang ding angen sin api ham. Tuni na api ham. Asung langa ki hutu na umaham. Ipi ham he chipai ki hedo no mai he. Achuti hi lo wa hele. Ipi dinga tu ni chen gia to he solution chu umlo laya. He chi mithat ho to chen ki huwa. He chi chu Kuki chate akinuk lo na he.
Okay, Kepamen, I'll come back to you quickly. Puben henga ka hendo nom cha hile. Manipur BJP government hi nunga jong hi protest series of dharna agitation all much jingin. Na, I let state government hi ko ham to BJP government hi. Ale BJP in promise na bolo ache din good days kiti jo huilang ga hita miti la hung lung ding ham. Say team.
Tu chana BJP government onki forma ko na hi for the past 15 months sunga hi Manipur sung anup dan so there is celebration in the hills as well as in the valley.
Okay.
So jong la masanga thinglang kama eho CM minister ti ta lo minister ro jing jong chu kumnga apu sung wai khatwei cha ga pha kha lo na amdan chu yo dinga se dinga be heng langa ga phau abana en corner of okrul mountain gam tina chu thinglang ga mai ha sa dan ja ka yo si BJP government ongum zo ko na hi Manipura government in discover and board on ala there is number 1. Number 2 na Manipura 15 years congress rule sunga hi former chief minister Sri Ibo Bijo ama MLA congress MLA ho jing an ki mu Bijo ji lo in BJP government hungzawa he forget about elected members. Local layman khadin jo. Amal ahasa dagan the na yo si government ko maher sa no mala CM pa jo. Kimu pin the na ding BJP government in korok hongin miam gi number kitin mi POC ni kho. Ani na there is held every 15 of every month. Abana hill leaders day on kirin. It's all the bangas government in me the direct interaction here. Governance a chedinity pin poucho. See a masanga me thing lamio and muhalo to na he. La si la mu he tai. Jong la CM panjong ama table akona direct amo solution. Pitam piyong video newspaper in the movie. A jong le abana BJP government ngumzo akona he. Hill leveli ki ka yong he. Nasata ike ka wa masanga geblin tanum so onkimerin. So akon in peaceful tanizaka yo se umchin. Aile abana notice business summit kiti lenta investor lenta ta yung win Manipur tabang peaceful mun tabang mun hoi hi amon jong asuma pa yu invest in bo hotel hoi ta ai lowa le medical college za in semni ti lunglut lai ta hin ipitim ta le congress te hin ai jam ho hi Manipur political history ko na wiped out ikibody utam ti kichan na dalin chun mun te na amo hin hi tin thil phalo lo spread and bo na It's a kuna hi tua cho dong boy nang su hin amma sapina Manipur University chung chang hin Manipur University yong chu head bongwa National Congress a yuwa mocha president pa MU ngyang yala gachia student instigate bole ale cho ta banga mo masanga para am ho dirty politics so to hi unplay ole mi pi tam pi su boy hin ahin la mi pi tam zo hin they still put their trust on the present government as in BJP government to boina naga framework agreement jong chu Congress on rumors spread the ball win. It's parliament session sunga he bill ki puro ding hi tirim khutri hetin. To parliament session ki chaita. And then hopefully things will cool down from now onward. It's chu ahin ani nan to I government and go to village and ticket win. Masanga chu governance ki ti chu DC yong chu ha sa ta mi pin ki mo pe hin. Ato DC pa khu khwa cha SDO khu khwa cha tribe certificate and le ip na ngai cha jona PA. Na ai chu hin ya chu mi pi te ho to mi pi te katip nom pen chu tu na elaya adida ku ki mi pi ho tu ni ku ki Channel view si katip na nom pen chu government na scheme mo ja ka yo si chu nang mohon phada chan at least ki CM lang chi chu anytime go to village ting approach na bol wai chi ka monai point na tia le namu te te de ti pa chu tu na kan sei nom hin tin
ai la po ben to ana sai ma banga chu change khat wang cha om nai na pe ham between villagers and government ke ka communication gap sort ta nom pa chu ai le tu a protest dal na tam ta mi pi lung thei lawa ki phin na ho hi chi reflection khat elo ham BJP te good governance om poi ti na khat chule hill go to hills an ki ti in to a go to village ki ti chi hi chana change hita mai lawa hele hoi ji zo chu government ne chi pi ham
go to hills ti chu ma sanga atam zo hi yo hill area hi me le mo mong men kitil phai song om ho hin atam zo hin hill area ni hello hin ai chu familiarization dinga chu hill area chana mi gan the a pitim tabong ai chu beginning apara chu ka i ho honorable CM Sri Biren Singh en na sei chu topographical condition lung ji a chu center akona sumthuma agam ha sat lung ji a chu invest bol de lampi en lai pi yong hichi perspective a chu go to hills ti an lan so ne so le department na minister jo se familiarize ngi taw chu o krulai lo le suan purai tabang pp ai lo teng no pala for example na phel jo lai tabang project initiate boldam ti pa chu chi familiarization period again ta go to village ki ti na pin pa chu la village government ki ti o me ti he khalo ho na unrich people ho so tu na hi government ki ti o me ti chu SDO pa DC ai lo le SDC ki ti ho to kimu to wa to uzalan scheme gas connection free amu tao abana sobagya kiti electricity monai lo hon kati na electricity mo tao abana LED bulb jong ain bul cha ke hom chu ha chu cho tabong ho jo si chu government in mi pi ho doorstep hi development ki polut pi hin to protest neu ki bol ho chile it is a different issue development issue lo pi chu to MUVC kilaro ne ki to it is not a development issue na ami pi tam lo ki phin na he kati ai cho abana naga framework ho chile ai chu la BJP government ahung uma ko na naga framework issue lo nago ho dialogue ai pon na it has been going on for more than 20 years
okay
ai chu he
congress on say han lang hela version cho man ai diu ni pi jong le ke parliament to in Dr. Emmanuel Varte nang koma ka hen do nom cha hele parliament standing committee henga report na ki pe cha hele kin chi ko hin bowling ka te ong report on parliament standing committee subclause 3.2.3 aki say chu the committee also recommends that the government should tread carefully the political demands of the Kuki groups and ensure a congruence between the agreement being finalized with the Nagas and agreement that may be made for the Kukis kiti khat jonga jawen hichi Kuki te ki min pha na hi the government of India sai langa ko na sai dinga chu te ha policy of division khana la thai hamna I ho ta to na dinga ke gong khat ham ai lo wa hele government hi sincere ta I ho political talk pa hi khat solve a ball nom ji chi jaw hin tem ki sei hin tem na lungel hin sei tem
India sarkar martok in fil kate Indian government I think it is more like romancing two girls at one time ngai zom pani arule na naya I love you more than anything else pakhat ko latia chu zo chara pakhat ko la fia I love you more than anything else atinoka akho mana mangai lemti kha ai boitani samo tuina dan dan ading chun ingtinam overlapping demands sa tama uma so many overlapping demands even territories even peoples and if the government so far is not really trying to bring a real lasting solution kay kangay dana chu tupo po hinga political process we have it is not about resolution it's about management ani katia it's just managing it like a business establishment mo kha pakhat bilung oita pakhat a tho phale pakhat thonga ta kha kana fake any khamit te tu a hoi ani chamo
Okay.
khalai ta khalai khan the government any sarkar very good in signing accords and agreement, but when it comes to implementation, very little to show. So tu kami hinga parliamentary standing committee hinga recommendation nung tanay danda na so 2019 election mapo adinga just trying to buy some time at man o katiya mo kamu danda na so ay ni Kuki issue ne kin naga issue hi sarkar patch na nga ipoy mo le mo kaya mo kaka pakhatan niya so hitting pa nga so ani nga keno UPF in territorial council demand mo common demand san hong natia. But how exactly are you going to solve the Naga issue and also the Keno UPF common demand? You know, you can't really do that. Atay noon is mo. Atay noon so pakat leming katingan so. So in a way, I find the parliamentary standing committee very, you know, like divisive, very contradictory to each other also in so many ways. But ani nga sarkar patch ay hangring pot so nga ita what can we do, what else can we do? So for me, I feel that in a way it's very divisive also, very divisive. Chinlay kan now pang enhel pale ahuy lem boka chilin nal masay to kati mo. I smear my saliva on the other's forehead. If I'm the first to do it, then I'm the champion. But just as soon as somebody smeared their saliva on my forehead, I get angry. So we started fighting. No lasting solution. No offer has been made. It's just like trying to manage, buy time. So nidaw takin ka mo. Personal taka ka nga idana sa mo. Kalay kan middle ground along na. Government sincere takin kukilya nagahi common talks, common table mo. How many times have we been invited to really speak? I mean, how many times has the government taken up initiative to make such common dialogues happen? Alam no is no proper dialogue. Just this right in written hinatya. Naga is showing can we have to give equal attention Kuki student. Then the government have to take initiative to bring us together to share views and ideas between these two groups. No. Then only then we can arrive at the middle point. But it's not doing that. Nothing is happening so far.
Okay, thank you very much. Supplement na ball nom hanam jitwa acho.
Supplement ka ball na hadi inda to work ka se yon so. Hi tu chalna hi central government in Kuki tel naga te he negotiating table amun khan hai ko khom kha no so. Yo hot agi de chu hisu. Aji chu Kuki le Naga since time immemorial they have been living together. And then they develop their own social cultural heritage in parallel within their respective social ethno boundaries. Ahin la phatchom khajowa in the aftermath of independence state. There has been some divergent aspirations for cultural identity. I think there is overlapping claims over land rights. So the crux of the problem is overlapping claims over land rights. So land, it's in one way all politics are in one way or the other we connected with land. Why not? A central government can form a committee presided by an impartial government officer with equal representations from the Kukis and the Nagas. Yeah, so amuna chun sport inquiry yung bol the isula. It's not a big deal. Yeah, so hizo yo si ko committee amun yung ve hom bintin agam ho to sim tu han lang hile. Say Naga ho and this is sovereign sister land. Kukis on this is sovereign sister land. Ay hijiteni ki ko homa ki ho na umlowa khatwele khat akowa khatwele khat akyu wang si hele. I think the central government is not very sincere in dealing with the political problems of Manipur. Katino mai.
Ale pu so min thang tua khat kan do kit mom chum na chi na sei chu a hoi kha jing nan Kuki in pi Manipur hin phat tam pi in amicable settlement acceptable to all na ti bin na si wa he terms acceptable terms na ti pao he ita bang chu acceptable terms sa hin ita bang chu acceptable he point na ti na ho
tua ka sei pa chu na hin bel sei ki le acceptable term ki ti pa chu ki ho ku ki cha te chun Manipur pumpi hi langkhana sei dinga chu historical facts historical evidences also akivet dinga le amo hon jong henge history nei vinte ku ki ten jong history ki nei hin chuting le British colonial writer ho in jose G. Grierson ho in Linguistic Survey of India volume 3 part 3 aji na yan la Sentinels of the Northeast India han la history of Assam Rifles yong la ku ki te in cham that na dinga pule party ho chen Anglo Kuki war ado pau chu in defense of their land and their freedom hi chu hiya chu ipijinga chu British te chu anado winga bijing ham tel agamu hu na dinga ado amo ho gamche hi lo le pidinga hu di ham hi chalai ta chu agamu hi ya chu hu ye chen British colonial writer hon aji now history le khapu tampia injo yo new hat kaga sei ta the territory inhabited by the Kukis extends from Naga Hills in the north down to the Sandway districts of Burma, from the Mithya rivers in the east to Armuz Bay of Bengal in the west. Hicho hi umai demarcation no hoi ta abor sa umai hi ne. Ai hi ni pihan lang yong la tu ni chan nai Kuki te in India dinga marginally born now so ikai na uma. Umlo picho. On the contrary Kuki te hin hengi cham thadi de yo ba so ai ne yong aniki jaw na lai ai hi ne. Hin sei sao be lang na chom ha ene he thim men lang ai le tun igamu chu 1937 kuma international boundary set up a hung in between India and Myanmar igamu tam pita yan Myanmar la incorporated ta chu again in 1971 our land in Chekutugong hill tracts were incorporated within Bangladesh again igamu yong hi e ki hom thang e ho yo si yong hi scattered so we have been scattered in 3 different countries Bangladesh Myanmar India hai jo ale 1956 ko mayong language modification ek ho hung do ki la hia chu Kuki nam khat pa chu different tribes a iso da chu yong le hichilang chu ngaki ta hote hichi igamu wa hi injwa question na hin board pen chen hung lut len amicable settlement Kuki in pi in amicable settlement akiti pa chu henge naga ti ho yong chu ka gam he ti naw chu hoi lai ham amon claim about naw chu beote Kuki cha te gam yong chu beote mail hi te chun thing lang ga ma hi mail hi te gam hilo pi chu mail hi te gam hilo pi 1949 na aki jo do the Indian government a marginal agreement ho yo se document yo si so ke hi ne amo sei the ne ding mail yo sei the ne ding poi ne ai hin Kuki te chun marginal agreement ke nei lo la hi ne ye chun international trusteeship systems no ya United Nations Charter no ya yo British colonial ho chun rural ho chun British hichi independent tribe ho achen na gam ho cha su kha mala mo cha reclaim about hi ti chi hon chu fight ki ball mo ne ding lo pi chu I ho hi independent hill country anikiti ai hichi pa chu hi in ai hin hilang ho chu isei te hi le I ho chun freedom democracy de mi te ki hi in ya chu India independent hin ya chu we have no misgiving with the plural democratic setup of the constitutions of free India we even solely depends even for our place habitation. And what did the government do till today? Ipimu central government. We have been marginalized. We have been rendered as a third class citizens in our own land. Hichipa he yo Kuki cha de ne ki tholal. Ye chun tu ni secessionist movement muiwa lam kai na NSN ho. Hiji secessionist movement ho so amo ho in agreement about piwa. Hiji appeasement policy has emboldened the Naga people. Aile Kuki te chu India mi helo ham hia chu gampa hi hichi overlapping claims our land rights om ta ye chun injo ka se committee kha chu ki sim do han lang Indian government amo ho lam kai na chun ki sim do han lang naga langa ko na yong Kuki langa ko na yong negotiating table kha na chun ki the han lang sport inquiry yong ki bot hi han lang hi chun we can check out I think definitely there will be a solution. A solution acceptable to all kati. A solution acceptable only to the Kukis kiti hi po ini. Yeah, so only to the Nagasong kiti thelo, only to the Meiteisong kiti thelo. A solution acceptable to all.
Okay.
Yeah, so let us bring all the stakeholders together kiti.
To in BJP lang ako nin ngaidan laki no hatin. Po ben two nights Congress party ho and state sunga rally and ballowin peaceful rally to crime hello chu ale pe bola chu brain chi government chun chi congress party ho chu akha mawa ni tamta jong injured chu kitong kha hi na chi hi separation of freedom alola press khat tiang la thailom alola bjp government hi dictator jat lo ham chika a hen longyal sai ten
chi chung chang thu chu khat win jong manung hut na ki ti impact tv mama congress spokesperson pa to jong jon kana sei khom win atwa chi to congress bawan mai lam pcc ho 2001 government congress government notification also hypersensitive zone ta declare ne ki bola ala ni na chu chi chung chu na chun congress de na chi rally chin ring in chun dandi march commemorated bona rally political rally ka chin wetin lekha na 7 dc in far west as jo august tarik gumnya chana se ho hin al chon dc in sp pa inquiry boss and so win ai chi hypersensitive zone hi para chu chunglanga decision anga lai ta ohin permission chu pi nai lo hi ala permission pi nai lo masang wa chu amwa hin issue khat sim na dinga chu nam pha chu chi di ti lo police on tin o hin jongla anjo sanga puzor se na se mi tampi injured hi ti chu koi ma chai akitong ho poi a chu ai le sunga chu BJP te chun hilaya dictatorial hi na chu ki ho chun hi chi congress ho voice suppress bonary ki ti ai pon tula to Manipur la social environment dan very charge hi ai chu ho dan dan chu very delicate chu ai le chunga chu na ki kala chu chung chu na chi ang chu chi congress or le ti bol ho bong chu BJP hon song tum pi bem sab ki ro la ka ti isu tam pi so ke di chu na ai chi para cho tam preventive measures a chu na chi na po thailo du heta chu police ho chun permission om nai poi ta khaw le ai chu police ho chu to mo confront ki bol tu na wa chu a police ho chun lathi charge bola prominent politician thupi ta ta om he na mo chu lathi charge bor sa nga tia chu tear gas ka ti he bom chu kap lo wa na ale lut pi wa disperse bol me me hen ai chu mi mo chu opposition e yi wa chu tu lai su ho lai jo mo pen thu he ti chu ka sei no mani na chu khadwa jong ai chi tv studio me he power ka ni ki ni la to tho na chu ka sei no ma chu BJP te hin tu ni chana hi mi voice suppress ball mala la ka ti he tu chana hi mi o si ap ha mi o si voice kila hi aju ani na chu congress te yong chun yam ta amhot sim sadan hin la ya ka ti he if they have that kind of decency and decent kind of mentality ai chi observance so amho ekha sunga ya bol theu chu ala chi chung chu na chu pi arale intention dong chu pi ti kiram ta la to ayong kan po na ai chi amo hin ap pande chung changa ai chu ho ta bang ka ti he play ka jo ki sim na la yu chu ai chu la dandi mar se talo na agitin lo wala dandi mar to banga chu yam ip ha thil thu pi ta ka ti indian independence in monau thil thu pi ta kha chu quit india movement chu ka ti he na quit india movement chu amo thi pande ho po to ta ai kharo chu ka ti he it is very unbecoming congress party ka ti no me nahi chong la nu anjo sanga khat neu khat anjo puar 10 asai pin pa supplement neu kan bol no men regarding that parliamentary standing committee in Kitale it comprises of both opposition and ruling and to ai hon public account committee kiti tabonga MLA hon na opposition chairman hina ki bol tabonga hin ale PS ya chairman chu Chidambaram congress from masanga home minister na to very senior congress MP hin ama no ya chu BJP kyo ho Manipula BJP Manipula president pa Babananda Rajya Sabha member pa my member he is part of the standing committee is on overall chu not security chung chang chu amon ai chi government ko ma GPP na bol tawam itabang measures na la tawam security ho environment su hoin na dinga tia chu ako hin hechila chu nago ho issue jong hi minori sa dinga security threat lin ta khare any senayam te katina ya chu mo dialogue jan channa gai tawam mati na wa chu nago hi tabang hin ke ma personal view in article 371A hi nago ho area an ke extend le ai chi acceptable hin te ti chu interlocutor pa Arun Ravin expressable hin there is not the decision of the government this chu mi o si ko ma ka phone do no me he as a government decision nai lo chu negotiator pa chun hi chi lungel ka ne ti me hin a chu ma chun PF chung la pa parliament standing committee ho recommendation na chun Kuki ayong zau kirin na ai tia la chun Kuki ha jong mani notice hi BJP hincho palleng BJP kiti hi party hi was pai khanga yong chu BJP ten notice agel kho dan dan chu masanga congress khanga chu notice focus na ki ha chan lo chu was by government sunga chu development of North region ke ta par donority wai hon fund tam muna pino hi hi BJP government na sim do and then look this policy yung BJP government initiate na bol chu and then the Modi government jong look this policy ek is policy ti giro chu ala ek is ti now chu hilanga I hogam lang CC hi Burma lang adang dang country Thailand ho ta ki ve mera ka ti he gam muntu pi ta so de ti emo intention chu na tam zo hi ai le ai chin ding nga chu tu la tua hi abui pin chui langa development government important le development ting chu ta thing noi ku kya la na ga la mai la chi insurgency problem ye ala BJP te chu insurgency problem chu na go hole le hello ku kya le mai la abona as whole chu solve bola to egis policy hi ai thia le na success hi sa te ti chu ama intention clear down to a jong khadwin jong tu nai chan mo ra entry le exit lane route ta katina ba chu visa on arrival na Burma langa I ho langa kivem nom ta kivem at ni ro chu inaugurate na bol vin country ten in katina
ale po ben azo lang le hi su chu in vel sai thai ke no bel hiten na to in doctor pu thodo khan nei ke ning katen to a territorial council ku ke no le UPF in political talks ake ho now chi territorial council nei na ding demand pau he ji hi draft tu la ya chi ha lai hi ti ka he ji hi itabang draft ham EPP jaw ham ai lo wala autonomy he chan ge ya che territorial council he denga na mu am da talpo
tu ta territorial council demand he boya boy kla kana amirok cho inglaya UPF commission la inglea keno commission la mo hinga common demand an hung nei them na ti hi pakata chu tam takenan fil da na chu maybe there's an internal politics maybe they were forced into mo accepting this anti ana kai kamuda na cha ani no so next chun nilai unaw may ti hai common unfit no le hinan social ni dingin karinga tuhin Kingting pa nga, unaw na gahay chu Manipur ay thoka suk daman no mo. Tunay ni chu, statehood demand ka, that's still the ends mo. Ani resolution kong kadayan tima mo, UPF ke no common resolution na kan. Statehood demand chu, it is still the ends. But in the meanwhile, antini ka mo. Kakatakan, ani ngaydan takatso. Manipur territorial integrity talk boy lawin. Hi talk boy lawin ing tinam ay ni non-Naga tribals tingay mo. Non-Naga tribals hay po ing tinam mo administration ni sila mo. Executive powers mo. Chun financial powers. Chun law and order. Hingay hini pakatso. Administration, executive, law and order, financial. Hi ay ni ing tinam ni naitain direct and central line to kanhong Thaisin la. Manipur territorial integrity will still be safeguarded. But at the same time, you will also be able to administer yourself. Hitting two bats with one stone. Tingnan mo. Kakangay dan kahungpi nga niso. Kakangay dan kahungpi nga. Kaya kasuk enchon chakati ko pala. I find it very, very good. So, hingay ito so at least hurdle pakat. The fear of the breaking down of Manipur territorial integrity kamo, kaka it will not, it will be, how do we say, subsided mo. Ani dingan iti kasuk ngay daanan niya. Trakati ko pala hihi tuhin Ebi Mathur mo, interlocutor. He came just a few months ago to Chorsanpur also. Kaka ama kom kanang ngaya. This demand is something that is workable.
Workable.
Workable. More. Okay. Workable. Maybe not right now, but this is something that we can seriously discuss. Ti kaama kom angay dan kaway ni sa mo. Kada kan hita ka territorial council hin. A main team kati dinga mani pakatso. To Constitution of India kun mo. provision, let us insert another provision based on Article 371A, Article 371C, and Article 371Z. These three articles mo. Hai kakata tokan draw dokin all the good points mo. All the good points, then let this be inserted through constitutional amendment.
I see.
Tika mo. Through constitutional amendment, let this be inserted. So takatsun culture, governance mo, le rights over lands and resources. Hinghay po hi tuta Manipur state legislature hain, they will have no jurisdiction over those. The Territorial Council will be directly responsible to those. Manipur legislatures on this will not be applicable. Di kanita kanisa mo. Kanita ka adang lem sa chunga, it's actually extracted, or let's say modeled after BTC. But this Territorial Council draft, as far as I know, is more like much more powerful, at least in writing. It's more powerful than BTC, because many of the shortcomings and limitations of BTC were studied. It seems so. They are trying to minimize those limitations. For example, financial control. Financial control. To in BTC aboy na so. Financial control ko the state of Assam, government of Assam, alay katani lekan poisa lutrano na so. So the Territorial Council chun chuchunilaw direct kain thakun fanahong thayam. Mo. Direct kain thakun hiva state government chunilaw direct to the Territorial Council. Chuchudam sa andimana mo. So it's an executive powers so it's all part of that. But this Territorial Council should not be limited or should not be even connected to 6th schedule antikeran. Asan so 6th schedule so achina ni so. Very, very small. To the Territorial Council is very, very big. Those are some of the main themes as far as I can see. Those are some of the main themes that are contained in the Territorial Council. I find it very good, especially Manipur territorial integrity at Sakuboy. Our main fear, even with the Naga issue, even with the statehood demands of the Keno also, main problem to territorial integrity kaningay niso. Kakalo umnopal sun ay lam hitsite na taydim. Hihi territorial integrity token step foothold unsinla. Ka foothold ang token kiva ansaglim kahit hin lati kaka plan so ahoy nito ta.
Okay, Dr. Emmanuel, we'll try to come back to you. Puso min thang koma kan do nom chahila. Keno le UPF hi Kuki group sahi in. Tuna iti hama ke pana identity thua aboy honen na. Hachi vet chat poma hi Kuki in pi Manipur identity thua na din mo no hi pi mo mo ham. Unsay chimte mo.
Kuki in pi Manipur identity thua na che boy boy. Lungdonam ta chu just recent development hin joy. UPF hoyong chu Kuki mina chu identity mina chu su la. Ke no hoyong chun Kuki a chu su la wai. Akiloi khom na thing noi form an ki bon na hoyo se chu bon na Kuki a pa na chu. Kuki UG group si chu arm group so hi chu. A hele phat hong chi chi ni hele. EPG hambang chu ke hepu in. Abang le Kuki object jo, abang le hulmi, abang le Amy option azat jan hu. Ahin la kaga say do anom chu. Any political movement in relation to territory na should always be based on the associated identity chu ka say do anom. Amy chikim hulmi kiti ho chu. Hello wale zomi kiti ho chu. They are only a colloquial expressions. They are not identity. Asama, India Baptist Mission a principal katulayan Amy Christian Fellowship ti ki ong kabol chu. Ahilla hechu Kuki Christian Fellowship ti ang kasi mo chu hidi lo. Ahilla pau chom honeu khat to aga ai khat ya chi ki bol he hechu political movement hilo chu. Social ki loi khom ne thei di chu ule naw ho to ki loi khom thei ne ding mai ha chu. Ya chu atu ai hon struggle chu yo political survival la dinga chu gamdal tabang hiu chu. Ati si yong sa gamdal ihaw sila. Ako ti lahi ti ota bangon su historical identity nga ito. Sikkim has no historical significance. Hiya chu Kuki chu kichipi ahin. ti pa chu ga sei do no min ye chung Kuki in pi in identity abuin I can po in identity dang yung acceptable thelo de hin henge I have no personal emotional attachment with the tam Kuki pula party ho chu nang hi che pa cha sat pa nang ai san pa nang lamjang pa hel wa hel zampi pa yung kikiti na inte ai lo la hau ki pa ma bum pa yung kikiti na inte amal ho yung chu i ho chun holang te na tiu chu su pi ule naw khana ki cheng khom hi chu ko chung te holang te yung kiti te chu sim te ho na ko yin ya chu hi chu ho yu si chu pi le banu in ine het na pau chu Kuki ta ine het na khau ta chu this is imposed identity chu hina chu and history ho yu si chu all recorded ta chu cha chu ya chun after we achieve our intended goal our political aspiration said Kuki land or territorial council or whatever hi chu pa chu ho no ki khel mo hi de lo pi chu but in our struggle for political survival I think we need an identity which is historical significance ti chu ka ga se do no
ai le Dr. Emmanuel Lin he chi ka la ai supplement neu khat nan bolwang we ding ka dein identity to a hi first consultation UPF ke no jong no me he chi jawa hi hul a hi lawala jalian gam proposition bolo win na jiki ka a hinang in pi ngai dan na yam cham cha hin sai wang bai te mo
how to pa sumin thang na khil kha andi ka ni chumo andi ka ni chu a thai sin la chu it's so very unfortunate pakata chumo a political evolution our political evolution has mutated like it doesn't follow the normal evolutionary process anymore it has mutated this is very very unfortunate thai sin la chu I Kuki dam nei lung all wong sin la chu then all problems solved for ni Anak apoy pek tuhin Kuki ini tuhin nagale adangka bigger issue ni sila but the same mini issue is also happening mo ni he Kuki chin zo mi zuk ting ite mi zo mo kaka sunga khan kaka problem kha replication hungum no kaniso it's more like a clone of the other one chu tuhin du thu sam chuk tu ta ho tu party khan ya ana chu tam tak nei lo num ta no ni so whether Kuki was Kuki chu heng ti dia chu kai khom my great grandfather actually if I'm not mistaken I think he wrote Kuki mo khakha ni so amiruk chu hitaka especially after independence the whole development process is going out of control anta so mo hyper identity consciousness
identity nomenclature min hi pi hile nati pe nom Dr. sai tim
kangai tun chumo khalai khan pakhat anum tanwa pakhat anum no khalai khan tuin Kuki khan ei lungin rule thai ta no ni so zomia no mo mizo no chu lei chun zalengam khul unaw supi whatever any in as far as this common demand is concerned katini and as far as this common demand is concerned any name where we feel this is okay tika we have to learn to accept that for now kaka asunga khan Kuki bo no ni mo mizo bo no kam mar khom bo chung no ni abo no ding asan chu aum vong ani so we are all part of it whether we like it or not we are all extended clans extended families ai ni so mo kakalay kan kakabaw at amirok so hihita ka din so something imani common name so ay ditani kalay kan zalengam or ime ada khul mo khul mi mo sinlung chinlung whatever it is or I even prefer manmasi kay kami malading lem so no kami malading may so naming ding may so but I feel that we should not trouble ourselves with the name for now. We should rather trouble ourselves with how to get this done first. Mo hakana nunga minga chong may sila chong so man masem kaditan no kailem so. It's very common for so many of us. Mo kaditan no zalen ka mang tinla tam tak apoy bebek so how to pass on tham khawan chinga ta mo zalen ka may that's too Kuki. Aho tipolan umanta so. So khul hang tin la ana that's too so mi tipola nung no kan so mo abu itla kan is ai ni sung ku hi mo abu itla le kan kai chu kanum dan so khul mi zalen gam let it be I am not very concerned with that I am more concerned with hi turtle council adam lo thai sin la chu ai ni ro in benefits tam taka dingana advantage sai nei dingana I'm more concerned with that actually, not in the nomenclature. ai zalen gam khom ni ro se khul khom ni ro se man masi khom ni ro se unau khom ni ro se mo khul mi khom ni ro se kha kabui no kai kha cha
ole to parliament to in pu ben kan khoma kasan ajo ana sei khat chu Alan Ravi in a sei pat na sei chung changa chu news report tampi hi in ama na sei khat chu hi le naga chen na outside of Nagaland na naga ho chen na naga inhabited area si hi article 371A he chi wang hi ki hope sa ding board state border wang chu ki tong khalo ding ai ta ti tabang khana sei pa he news sa theng sana ki ji hi na ai le chung changa he i tabang outcome i tabang thai ding ana ge lam ka ti dan chu chi ho ai mi te ku ki te ho ding a bang na chi tua valley area la dong a jong tu lai protest dal na bol ho jong chi article 371 chung cha he hi le ai me ho he ni chi hi ichana dama ki gut nei nei diu ham ichana chu prepare hi diu ham chi ka la so neo khan sei te
ta tua nun sei pin puarin rawin masanga news report a pp gamtin ging ho thil zo me parliamentary standing committee ho na ko wa ama thu do na nei na wa sei pa chu chu affect me nei the news report ho da na chu ta ani na to article 371A ki ti chu specific ta Nagaland adinga chu amendment ki bol hin ai chu manipula hi chito kilom diwa chu article 371C ne we amina chu naga kuki ta chu identify ki bol wanga chu more or less a power chu more or less it is same ai ji o customary adu gamo pp ho na safeguard ki bol na pa chu more or less same jong la to hi political atha Manipur integrity su ke loading tina bana chu tu la ta political idemana chumbe mainly mail ho akona tu la ta thaung ping choile Manipur la tu la ta political setup pa system pa it is status quo ding it should not be affected is amo hat amo demand ai ji chu na versa jo naga le ho a jong ai ai le ji chu kun spearhead na bolam da congress de ai chu ta 6 schedule jing yo hi thei lo ri ti jan ga jo man protest bol ai le sunga tu la ta senior da na ji vera le anago ha ding ayong chu ma central to ke we ti thu hi na a central non chun peaceful monodi si peaceful hindra nago issue resolve body ti hi na hin la tu condition chu cho bola la chi sa nga chu kho ju che ding au me ai jo ku ki ho yo ready a kyom mail ho yo ready a kyom me na ai chi ji chun ke mu da nin wam chun a chu naga han lang mail hen lang ku ki yo na government in jong gang ta in thili bol pon te ti chu ke ma ta san kha hin ani na chu yo ho ku ki langa hi itia lan jo sang ai sei ta wa chu yo a hi a domestic problem ai boina la we have not reached beyond domestic issue ajo nago ho chune le domestic jo da hau ta chu helanga chu ka ti he na e khat dinga chu me yo domestic problem ai boi da no hin ai chu atu ni jana ai boi na on jo ta anjo sanga pu min thang le pu doctor pu na sai ta banga chu ka ti amin ki san ki boi na lai na chu cho ta banga chu ta ji boi da no hin ye chun ai thia le to khang tha hon igel do pa chu ai chu lungelo broaden hi sa wa na ai thia le chun ki to na ding pa hi unity chu unity hi thupi pe na hin iki to po ala chun thil chu ipimin ki sa la kho lo iki to lo ti nga la khara se yong khat ki don as unity is very important for us ti pa ju ka sei no min ani na chu chong le yong ai tum ho lo ni chu na go an pi ni wala ku kyo jin ki mo wa lo di chu ai chu ku kyo je ta banga kho hi wam ti chu history jo witness jo na ajo iki to lo wa ju ka ti ku kyo thil bol ta nge ki ta la ki bol jing ai ani na chu a ku kyo hi ipiha kitile when it comes to the term Naga, Kuki and Meitei kitala Meitei they speak the same dialect they practice the same custom wherever they are in the same way even Kuki we Kukis we may be in Mizoram Burma Assam or anywhere we speak the same dialect we practice the same custom but when we come to the terms Naga is just like a political platform just like BJP in Congress where different ethnic group came together as sunga mo political platform chan sima they call themselves Naga Also they have different dialect. Amo ki home ni pao yong nei lo chu. E ho chu mar pao yong jin ki he thei mo. Even mizo la chin ho ki he thei chu. Ele e ho chu I boina pino chu from independent Indian independence masa para e ho ing boina pino chu piam tal identity conscious hi ho chu. Ai chu identity conscious hi na pao chu piam tal open now pat I ha boi pi ji wa he. Among the Mars or Chin la mizo la yong la ka tin na. A mizo te yong chu lu sei and ti wa ka ti e he. Amo cha lu na vai puro chu. A ki zona Mizoram solution de nga chu Mizoram an ti wa ka ti na ne khat asim tu thu hin. Otherwise silai chu lu sei ten an li chu. Ai ji ta banga ji identity conscious ni ho chip ship pa ni kilit sa pi. And then coming to Manipur to a problem pa I'm coming again. When Mizoram Meghalaya state was created, Meghalaya yang chu khasi ho dang dong ho chi ho ta ba chip ship ni hi chu. At the state and sim new para government in Hoseo Sekowa, they give private purse as part of compensation to the chief. I chi para chu ho reason chu Khasi Hills, Gentai Hills, Garo Hills atiwa sim piwa, private purse piwa. Land ownership law si chu mami pya surrender ball wa ta election system about democratization ball ji institution chu. Ala Manipur la hi state ho ki mo wa nga chu I ho thing lang hi article 371C koi piwa protection I pi thu ya. Leva democratic institution ni lut lo zo I ho sunga hi I ho chui le to ai mo hi British che khang lai ta mo na lai chu ki vai po nau chu leng te khang na ki vai po nau ai la na go hi piti vam ta la amo hi minority type tampi ke khom na hi na ba na chu amo institution ni government initiative lo amo initiative ai hi democratize ki bolo chu ake bola village council and neighbor chiefs are elected na an bolo chu ta hi na go hin na he doesn't bola decision making ang hiting ala chi it impact every single population of Naga decision making bodya chu ala I ho hi energize bolo now decision making a mi kitam lo chu sa honestly I'm telling decision making a mi al kharin decision making a chu mi da lo para chu mi sei la chu pan lo pha la chu mi chu thasi te te chu na I ga sei le to yong ki to nom na participate ki bonom so ai chu neu jakat I ho structural to dang ho to te na chu kan gyalan chong la ni na hi gam khang to tun mizo te ti taw te mizo te ho phungla chang koi man ki sei chu ai a chu mi khang to hi chu mai le te ti u te phungla chang sei ta lo chu na a chu khang to chu a ba na go hang chu hi chu tang ko la phungla chang a du simre a du da ki dem lo pi chu e ho sunga chu le ang ki zur ra ka te na ban na ta chu ki zur kira ki khan hi chu masanga ju tation khan kunai ta bol was tu kha mi ki pata hi nei le aba na thil dang environment e ho ko ma no environment influence in bol ya phung hi ho dinga hi subsin na khara leng do ai chi pa hi tu la tu ai ho society na lin pen he tia chu chong chu ka sei do no me he
problem ki pam tha jengin very well said kati tu in pu sum thang ko ma kan do nom ke chahi le nam da na hi ko ke te adinga tu hi tabang political solution hi ha dingin au men ti am I lo pha ham ska la he nang lunggel dan khan hin sei tim
tu pe na central government na ki ho pi chu UPF la ke no ho ya chule Kuki nam pi thu lu yong ke ni e tun ga se din hai pi conclave yong mai yong le tu chun Kuki in pi ho CSO ho zau na ki ho na consultative meeting do wa chu state na ko na UPF le ke no chu state na ko na TCR hong kum la hon so TCR dinga kinop to na hen nei wa chu Kuki CSO ho yo se ki dong lo Kuki in pi ho yong chu ki dong lo chu nang khana sei dinga chu ya chu Kuki te chun lang khana permanent political solution om ne dinga wang chu state tai lo chu lampi dang poi ki ti chu ale state yong chu ipidinga a hi mo na di umlo it's not a secessionist movement we are exercising our constitutional right ya article 3A no ya chu Sonia Gandhi yong chatis Telangana ho yong chu 3A no ya base ki bola ki khat chula India sunga state yo se chu vele chun they are all created on ethno-linguistic basis only. Vejo ke state yo se. Akuti la hele chun hichi article 3A no ya chun in state chu Kuki en yong demand abol mo na pon demand no abol he. Ahin na EP yong le for best region known to them UPF le ke no TCR hum ta ne. Ahin to achu TCR ko na chu ahung nim su kit leo chun. Chu amo hoding ang chu za do me they can be very disgrace to the entire Kuki community yong so hit hin lai chu he chu Kuki mi pte ding ang cho nu mo nim su ta vi ti ne cho hi de pun yong le na at least TC awang so let them stick to TC ya chu enjoy say bang wa so BTC model hong so ga ve do ba he cha ko na cho hoi lo lai provision akisim tu le pau chu chu thil hoi cho hin nai ne ye chon he chon stick ball wa han lang cha cho political solution khat ma yong la okay well and good ti chu ka say do no bin
ale zo apu ben in na say article 371A chungchang a hin daktal pun hen dong katin ta gel thei khat chi pi ham ta hele naga framework agreement hi ipium hama sunga what are the content of this framework agreement ti hi mitam ta in idimano iboi now so lang khat na kin kam ko gel dan khat cho hi le tu sunga Alan Ravi in directly or indirectly ana parliament standing committee koma asai chu chi border wang ki tong khapon tin ahin la article 371A he naga inhabited area achi ding adei dan sai pa he na framework agreement I hol mo sungai pi ham ti jei tai tin kala hichi romors te dau ten na hichi gin moi ti diu ham ata ai ti diu ham hichi chungcha nga he daktal poni pi lungel na yam na lungel hin sai tin
That's a very tricky one actually. Article 371 ek hai how to ba Benjamin na tiang khat mo Nagaland specific atin na ito mo kakalay kan Manipur Naga area po Article 371 yan extending so then constitutional amendment ang ayon ka na
Exactly.
Constitutional amendment ang ayon they have to amend it so that it can go beyond mo kakalay kan tu siya ding hin so kay so nakita ID ka how to pa Benjamin nakita dikit ka rin it's just every word ka mo kung kata din so but nonetheless it's very very good to be aware and be
Yes,
to
be
discuss
prepared.
this mo ana so tu siya ding hin so ding komi sila uli kung kasan oding ka rin kung tutingin ka rin tayo constitutional amendment next time next time Kakanism mo. Even with this DC constitutional amendment, I think it will take time. Even if it's going to happen. So ang book so the extension of Article 371 to Manipur, so actually it transcends state boundaries. It is not even just an ordinary amendment. It is going to be a very serious major amendment. DC so ang ayaw naman because it doesn't touch state boundaries mo. Alam nga ito, Article 371 so it's going to go beyond. Kakalay kan major amendment ahong tool dengan nila kan. Hinay ta kasi okay so two siya tingin so maybe kasi maybe I don't know much but isu tak kong kalang ay pat mo man adik so
article 371A hi chi sa na dinga hi pha jong lut ding hin constitutional amendment jong lut ding hi ti hi na ki pam tha jeng and I think we are really out of time to in question khat ibonowin na thomovin sel bol khom of it indo naga framework agreement maya he mai thaite hi adang ku kite koi ko ham iumo hi in siwa hin na sata a ho particularly ku kite dinga pai mo chu unity hi unity achieve bol na dinga hi promote bol na dinga hi ipi mong angai na ti bam please khat nan sai ti mo puso men thang
unity na dinga hi ke ma ka ta sa ta hi yong hi kanapan na e khat ko masalanga ke pa na tribe leader ho yong se ka ki mu tu pi Kuki nam sungai tu hin achum men awai phe agang te amal achum men ke sei yong lew han linguistically genealogically ethnically culturally one group hi ho cho hi cho hi blood is thicker than water yong ki ti hi ai hin la neu chakhat khat ki he thim tu lu na ji achu division neu cha cho nan te that is angai mong he lang khana sei dinga cho ding mong he yong le hi chi pa chu e ma chu ki jo sa di helobin hi chi pa chu how to overcome that obstacle ya chun alliance for reformation of Kuki so ta bang ani ki bol na neu cha neu ki WhatsApp group ho po yong ki bol na la ya he chini bong noi Kuki te custom chu ke pana mate tribe leader ho jo se ki mutu pia paite tribe leader ki mutu marlin p leader ki mutu pia asuna jana ke lai chu ya chona mo ho jo sia kona response ki mu chu hele hengi state hanlang national level la international level la yong le akichi piding chu I ho en political struggle I bol na wa chu Kuki chu alu thelo he ti chu mo na sei su ke we Kuki ka hi pui ti chu koi ma sei lo pi chu kiloi khom na neu cha cha mal in pui yang omentin azomi council yang omentin paite tribe council yang omentin madi tribe council union yang omentin hi hanlang hi yong le a tha do yang chu mahila da hello chu tha do in pi ki ti kha da tho he ki ne hi yong le hi cho yo si hin hi chi pa phung le chang a hello wa le abi tribe na neu cha cha ki bet na pa wang hi pai hla su ke hutin I bon chang ke win hin common interest adinga chu Kuki cha te chu din khanai din lo wa he le phat khat teng le Tripura indigenous mi ho ki bon na tabang chu I ho chunga hung su te ti pa hi he te
homework involve ja mo ngai na lai na kilung to lo na chu ding mong hi in a hin la phi chu su mang thei thil hi teacher hi in pu ben ne pi lung ngai da na nem chika la chun sei ti
tu chana hi unity hi yo na theory a se wo practically I bol 19 Kuki jong hi chom khat chu ha jo talo ala 1993 na go nin tha para chu Kuki jong ga do jing hi ala unity kharom ne dinga chu adverse effect khat ka ti he external a ko na chu in gom khom o thil khat ngai naga ho ju pra gom khom hi tala India government naga mina ke ka pi la thi gam ne par naga ki pun khom wa naga tu nya hi ta da ni chu thi ki tu ta ta bong hi chu e ha ju ki tu ta lo chala 1997 kumin case ho minin delha rale an kichin mar ho peite langa student union leader ho ki mu pin peite ho ju Kuki mena jel lut tam lo hiu jula mo jo ha tha tu ma jong lut na nobody said that I'm not Kuki aju ai su na po de na to a Kuki kitile e ho an ju sa ka sai ta ba ju ikitui ta nai lo external forces jong ai pun ai ding mo ma Kuki ding mo ma nga ju ka ti he na I ho chun thingam liwa leader ho vin ka ti panala nai lo he ti ju ka sei no min padan la ni la chun a Kuki ki ti chu mi osin Kuki ke he ti do masanga pura tu ni chana hi masanga Kuki na haram ta le British te ne ka bo chu in ka pharwai British te no zealand ko in ki ho tu tha pharwai hi British army apong ding chu Kuki le Gorkha lo le kila pon te ti dau chu ale chi phara ju min mi osin Kuki ke ta Kuki asa pe nu chu la that is how Kuki become popular aju provided eje ta bong chu I honi sim lo te lo Kuki chu me osi Kuki
Kuki he ke pe he Kuki ha ke pe he nai pon na khat nai din khom na thei ding au Kuki mina lam pilin ta am na lai Dr. Puin ji chung changa hi tua chu chan khat non naga langa sei ding en pp ham tha do mal pe te tam pi omen unity anga yin na unity hi piti dinga na mu am lang en
cái chữ simple được tu ta không tu hay bản địa năng truyền khám mỏ khá summarize ăn được fusion ăn được được xin được làm mỏ apoi mo tak cho I mar ni sin tha do ni sin mo pai de kang te vai thei zo du say mo everyone I hung pat we all come with preconceived notions and decisions
exactly
we all come with imitating a no compromise attitude and stand mo kasi sang kai hung nei talaga niso kapag pala hung kompat pala rem kai talaga niso tu takin so kai so mi pui kom ni sila mi pui ham ka shin ma hope why kom nila if we are really sincere about unity we have to come together with a blank page to chapoy mo
what is that blank place
blank page kati mo tu isu how talun tu kay kom kachir lum ding sin unaw thao daw hay da pai dai da I have so many complaints the list is unending mo unaw thao daw hay pai dai ko la thon so list is unending every side mo kaka if I come with that list kaka hung shil tan talang imitating environment ka a folk na non is mo kakale kan kay kati okay we have those issues very much fine but how many of us leaders I don't know even the people themselves but more the leader actually how many of us are willing prepared to work an extra mile forgive and forget lum oy de 80 thai na to 80 thai hum come I know we have memories but we have forgiven and we'll try to forget them. Now, let us start our life with a blank page. Tita Inla.
To start with a blank page that we need to go still miles to
Yes, very
achieve
much.
unity. Kipamen, your schedule studio timing here, umahi in jechun time limited hi jechun ipa no tunia jane ni ki hona na nga hutin tunia panel ho na silai studio a nong thai je na chunga ki pa na chunga wa ki pa tu ka hin sai na he tunia viewer soko ma ka sai nom chahi le hichi program hi nahin va nova subscribe nahin bolova chule like nahin bol ding win ka hin te mo ne he tunia montena Impact TV agenda Manipur Kuki edition and vajau se Dr. George T. Hawkemin na bon chunga ki patu ka hin sei nahi mangpha